Folks, are warming across the valley again today. Your temperatures mid to upper 90s in the west, cooler in the east after reaching the 90s in most locations. 87 right now in Port Isabel, Harlingen, and Raymondville both at 89. Brownsville's at 90, but warmer than that in the western part of the valley. Lows tonight should be in the mid 70s across the area, very similar to last night, warm and humid conditions. And then tomorrow, right back in the mid upper 90s again. Brownsville at 92, the beach at 86, everybody else 94 or hotter. The average high now up to 92. That's the 30-year average. You look at the next few days, we'll still be above that. 95, 95. By the weekend, 97. Look, the record's 98, so we're going to be in record territory by the weekend, and likely we'll be in record territory most of next week as well. This is your radar, the First Warn 5 Doppler network, and there's a few spotty little showers around. Nothing big, and certainly not a rainy day by any means, but if you pick up one of those showers, consider yourself one of the lucky ones, because most places have stayed dry. Once you get above just a couple thousand feet, the atmosphere is still extraordinarily dry, so we don't expect any significant rain at all. Tonight, skies go partly cloudy again later on, and again tomorrow you see one or two green blips on the map. That could happen like it did today, like it did yesterday, but for the most part it's a dry day again. Same kind of thing for Friday, a dry day again, and that goes for Saturday and Sunday and beyond as well. We just don't see any big rain threat at all, with the exception to that spotty sprinkle, but not enough to actually call it a rainy day anywhere. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. 90 up in Dallas right now. Austin, a little cooler at 81. San Antonio's 88 degrees. Look at Dalhart, only 67 right now up in the northwest corner of the Texas Panhandle. They had a few clouds earlier and a couple of showers. Some rain developing out in West Texas. It'll stay out there, but down here where we are, not much at all, not even any clouds to speak of. Still watching the tropics, of course. We got this system that has some chance of developing over the next few days. High resolution satellite shows where it is. It is moving to the north. We'll end up in this circle someplace by the time we get into the weekend, and the Hurricane Center now gives it a 60% chance of developing over the next 5 days. But again, it will stay well east of the valley. But if you get a tropical system going that way, that means it just dries out and gets even hotter here. That's why next week we expect temperatures to probably be at least 100 across a lot of the valley. It is going to be very, very warm. Tomorrow, here's the way the day starts. San Antonio 72 in the morning, Dallas 73, Houston 71. These are 7 a.m. readings tomorrow. By afternoon, temperatures climb up into the 80s and 90s, pretty much statewide, with isolated showers possible across the state. So for tonight, partly cloudy, a few more clouds will show up later on. 74 for a low, winds out of the east-southeast. Then tomorrow, back to 95, mainly dry. Again, a sprinkle or two can't be ruled out, but no big rain event anywhere around here. 95, 95, 97, then it gets interesting. 99 for Sunday, and then from Monday on, Memorial Day included, at least 100 degrees, maybe even warmer than that, especially in the western part of the valley. That is your very warm First Warn 5 forecast.